Gas chromatography. It's used in a wide variety of industries to separate and identify volatile compounds that make up a sample. So here are 10 surprising industries that use gas chromatography. Number 10, the toy industry, specifically plastic toys. The manufacturing of plastic involves the use of additives, the most common of which are phthalates. The concentration of phthalates is heavily regulated after concerns were raised over chronic exposure to them. Number 9, environmental industries. Gas chromatography perfectly lends itself to environmental testing. It is used to test for pesticides and contaminants in both water and soil. It's also used for monitoring air pollution. Number 8, forensics. Have you ever wondered how detectives determine that someone was poisoned or they died as a result of a drug overdose? Well, gas chromatography is used for blood analysis and can determine things such as blood alcohol content. Further help, gas chromatography can also be used to determine if a fire was arson by testing for accelerants or even explosives. Number 7, the wine industry. The wine industry is well known for taking pride in quality, taste, and smell. What may be surprising is that they widely use gas chromatography for their quality assurance by testing for the molecules responsible for taste defects. These are typically volatile phenol compounds that can be derived from yeast metabolism or cork fungal infections. Number 6, the beer industry. With what we just learned from the wine industry, the use of gas chromatography in the beer industry may no longer be surprising. The beer industry also uses it for quality assurance and control. The majority of compounds added to beer enhance the flavor and aroma, but trace components can contribute to off flavors and off odors. Number 5, pharmaceuticals. You may be noticing the trend of quality control, and the pharmaceutical industry is no different. Gas chromatography is not only used to test for impurities, but also analyze for residual solvents. These are organic volatile impurities that are formed during the synthesis of drug products or during the packing and storing. Number 4, the automotive industry. Who doesn't love that new car smell? Well, without gas chromatography, that smell may not be very safe. Gas chromatography is used to test for VOCs on everything from the leather on the seats through to the rubber on the pedals, all to ensure that you can safely enjoy that new car smell. Speaking of smells, number 3, the perfume industry. The main use for gas chromatography in the perfume industry is, you guessed it, quality control with materials and ingredients. However, the perfume industry has one other interesting use of gas chromatography. They reverse engineer smells to give themselves a competitive advantage. Number 2, the food industry. This one may not be as much of a surprise anymore. What may be surprising though is just how much gas chromatography is used in the food industry. Gas chromatography is used for everything from determining a food's nutritional information all the way through to testing for additives, pollutants, and pesticides. And the most surprising industry is number 1, the space industry. When NASA tells you they are testing soil samples on Mars, they're using gas chromatography to do it. The Curiosity rover itself has 6 gas chromatographs on it. Gas chromatographs were used to determine the makeup of the atmosphere on Saturn's moon Titan during the Cassini mission. So there you have it, 10 surprising industries that use gas chromatography. Which industry was the biggest surprise to you? Let us know in the comments below.